Hello, good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn Burmese. So from these lessons, you have to learn how to say hello, Minglava, and how to ask the questions to your friends or others people. How are you? It's me, Mingla. And the next one is when we are departing. So when you are going somewhere and you say goodbye to each other, you use how to use. We use Duodomet. Formally, we use Duodomet. Informally, we use Tata. So we're gonna see later. Okay, the first phrase, Minglava, this is a very common one in Myanmar. When you see each other, whether you know each other or not. So this is a very common one and it's a very polite one. Minglava. Minglava. So when you say Minglava, you use your hands and push together and you bond a little bit to show your respect. Okay, and the next one, let's practice. Let's practice 5 times. Repeat after me. Minglava, 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 Minglava. Okay. The next one. How are you? So we use Ni Gala in Burmese. So the purpose of asking Ni Gala is not literally how are you? It is this is a greetings. It's like making the conversations more fluidly. Sometimes we are break the ice. Okay. So if you say Ni Gao La, so you don't expect their response. You just mention your greetings to each other. Ni Gao La. Okay. So when you want to respond to someone asks you on Ni Gao La, you can respond like this. Ni Gao Ba De, like here. Okay, like the green one. Ni Gao Ba De. So someone asks you Ni Gao La, you can respond Ni Gao Ba De. I'm fine. Okay. The next one. So let's make a quiz, small quiz. Which one means how are you? Ni gong la, ni gong ba de, min ga ba. Which one? The correct one is yes, ni gong la. Okay, so the next phrase is goodbye, Myanmar. So when you are speaking to each other and you want to go back you want to go back home or you want to go somewhere, so you need to say goodbye to your friends, to your cadence or whatever, whoever. In Myanmar, we use data is informally. So like friends, each other, your cadence. But to say the respected one, like your parents or the monks, your teacher, you have to use Guadome, Guaquimpiuba. But data is okay, but a little bit informal. So literal means I'm going now. Here, Guadome, Guaquimpiuba is a formal one to show respect, and informal one is data. Okay, but data is always okay. So the culture tip is sorry, body language. So culture tips for body language. If you want to say yes, you cannot. You cannot. Slight bow to respect other. Not. Not with slight bow. So if you say yes to the respect one. And a warm smile, always appreciated. In Myanmar, when we are speaking to the respect one, we need to smile a little bit. If the case is not serious. So practice dialogue. Okay, repeat after me a little bit. Okay, so there are two speakers. Minglava, Minglava, ni gong la, ni gong ba de, gong bi, tuaro me no. Bye bye, Minglava, ni gong la, ni gong ba de, tua bi, gong bi tuaro me. Bye bye, Minglava, Minglava, ni gong la, ni gong ba de, gong bi tuaro me no. Bye bye. Okay, so let's move to the next one. So a quick review. So you want to say hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We don't use morning, afternoon, evening. We just say Ming La Ba. And Ni Gao La. When you ask someone Ni Gao La, you don't want to expect their response. You just say like hello, good morning also. Okay, Ni Gao La. Ni Gao Ba De, yeah, you want to respond, it's okay. Tuaro me no, tada. So this is the goodbye. I'm going now. Here. So let's practice this. Okay, so remember we have to learn Ming La Ba, Ni Gao La, Ni Gao Ba De. Tuaro me no, tada. Ta-da!